Welcome back to AutoBank and RV Sales. Let me take you a tour of this 22 Arctic Wolf by Cherokee Limited. It's a 3770 suite, super clean. This unit has been used twice. It is a phenomenal unit in every aspect, super clean. It has the outside kitchen, a ton of storage, as you can see, all pass through. It has the leveling system. It is a 4-season coach, or 4-season fifth wheel. So that's good for any type of weather. It has the automatic leveling system. You have the outside kitchen with ice maker. You have an area here for outside grill if you choose to put one. You do have a sink. You have an outside rack, which is really neat to put your items, firewood, bicycles, anything like that. It does have an area for a charcoal grill or a additional gas grill on the back rack. This side you have more storage. This is a 50 amp fifth wheel, so you will never be short on power. If you'll walk forward here, you'll see the you have the outside shower, the hot water heater, and the furnace system. They really made it simple with all your connects for your black tank flush or your city water connection. That's your leveling system panel that is inside here. And it has 2 tanks for your LP or propane. This unit does have a Rhino box fifth wheel hookup. As you can see, you have an upper bunk area, which is equivalent to a king size. And then you also have a lower bunk that would be considered a double. This will be an excellent area for young teens or young kids to have their own little private space. If you follow me into the living area and the kitchen, as you can see, it has the residential fridge. It has a flat screen with a fireplace, complete surround sound system. This is recliners. It is not any sleeping. You could sleep on it, but it's more or less recliners type system. You have a stovetop with an oven. Just has a standard microwave. This unit is as new as you get. Has a ceiling fan as well, overhead lights. It's got the purple accent lights that make it really nice. This is a pretty good feature as well. You have a large pantry, as you can see. Gives you a lot of storage for food, for sure. If you walk up into the bedroom, you have a walk-in shower, toilet, sink. It's just your basic bathroom setup. And here in the bedroom, you got a king bed. And you got 2 closets. You have one on the back side, and then you have one here that is gives you a lot of different places to store your clothes and your belongings.